Hi, my name is Kaylee from Akana Digital. I undertook the Recipe for SEO Success course back in 2019 and loved absolutely everything about the program. What I was looking for at the time was a comprehensive course that could give me all of the basics but also the higher level technical knowledge, and to do a course with someone that I could trust. SEO has been an interest of mine over the years, and having ran a grief blog and a consulting business in the past, I knew how important understanding SEO was to grow. Kate is an absolute wealth of information. She covers each topic in detail and has so many resources as part of the course, you don't need to look any further. I really enjoyed how the classes are structured week by week, having each topic released each week, and having the ability to ask questions and have them answered live was the key to continuing my growth. Since completing the course, I do refer back to certain topics that I do need refreshing on, and knowing that I have lifetime access is an absolute no-brainer to making this investment. So thank you, Kate, for putting on such a great course.